This is the Flamingo-1050 in hot pink. If you're liking to buy one of these, we have a link in the description. Hello, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I have a beautiful pair of pleaser heels today. This is the Flamingo-1050 in hot pink. And you guys are absolutely going to love these. They're similar to the original flamingos, except these ones are a mid-calf size. So I'll show you when I get the other pair, the sizing difference on how high it goes up your leg. But the color of these is just amazing. Look at that hot pink. You've got the massive platform at the front, so it really helps you feel a lot more supported. It's an 8-inch heel, and then lace up at the front so you can adjust it to whatever size you like, but then it makes easy to put on and off with this zip on the side as well. Pleaser always comes really nicely packaged as well. You've got a bit of paper in there to keep the shoe nice and in the right shape, and then you've got the grippy bottom as well so that you're not going to feel like you're going to slip around at all. I'm doing a size 8 in these today. I'm normally about a 7 or an 8, but I like it a little bit bigger in the boots because it gives you a bit of room in case your feet swell at all during the day. And I'm just going to wear little sockets to let me slide in a bit better, and it's just a bit more comfortable while you're wearing boots for the day. This is the gorgeous Flamingo 1050 in hot pink, and this is the mid-calf height, which I'll pop these on and give you a look at the other ones, and you can see the height difference and which one you like a bit better. So obviously I haven't put these on before, so I've just got to tighten them up a little bit just from the bottom. And then once you do this once, you don't really have to do it again. You can just use the zip on the side to get your foot in and out, which will make it nice and easy. I could probably do it a bit tighter down the bottom, but for the purpose of the video, it doesn't really matter. Oh, that's not a very attractive bow. Make sure you don't have the strings laying down too far, or you may trip on them, and we don't want that. Alright. Okay, let's give these a go. This is the 8-inch heel, and I'll show you guys what the other size in this style is like so you can see the height difference. So see how it's a little bit higher there. I'll show you. You can just see how this one goes up. It's that mid-calf height. Let's give it a walk and see how they feel. They're really comfortable. You feel really nice and supported. I do like how it goes up the leg a little bit more. Feels really supportive and like you've got a lot of space there to keep you in. This color is so gorgeous as well. The hot pink really, really pops. It's such a stunning color. And this is a side view. So these are the 8-inch heels. I'm wearing a size 8. I do have a fair bit of room in the foot at the moment, so my feet do have a little bit of space. I could probably do a 7.5. Let's take them outside though and see what they're like outside, and you can kind of see what they look like in natural daylight as well. It's a little bit rainy and my hair is probably going to turn into a flat mop. So hopefully it doesn't. I hope you're appreciating me walking in the rain for you guys. Really testing out that grippy sole. So it is a little cloudy out here. You might not be able to see as well the colour, but it's not too bad. I do feel really stable in these ones. They're pretty easy to walk in, and I definitely don't walk in these at all. I've been thrown into doing an 8-inch heel straight off the bat, so it's not too hard. I'm finding it fairly easy. I hope you like watching this review of the Flamingo Hot Pink 1050, and make sure you hit like and subscribe on our channel so you never miss a video. We're always posting new content and new heels when they come in fresh from the States, so stay tuned for another one. See ya, bye.